Welcome, welcome. In this video, we're going to cover monetization reports in Google Analytics 4. For the monetization section, you want to make sure that you have the tracking for e-commerce or for ads in your mobile apps. So make sure you have the expertise to set that up, talk to a developer that can help you do it, or configure it in Google Tag Manager. In the overview report for monetization, we have these KPIs for this time series chart. We scroll down, there's a time series chart for total purchasers and first time purchasers. And then there's average purchase per user. You can see the most popular items that have been purchased. And then there's items purchased by item list name. So you can see the different types of product categories. There's items viewed in promotion by promotion name. Purchase revenue by order coupon, and then there's a section for revenue from in-app purchases and ad units in your mobile app. The e-commerce purchases report provides us with more details around the most popular items that have been purchased over time and items viewed compared to the items that have been added to cart. And then there's this data table that provides the items, the products, along with these metrics. You can change the item name dimension to another item dimension. So for example, if we click on item category, we can see these different categories and the metrics across those categories. In this user purchase journey, it gives you a funnel. So you see that it's a closed funnel where users must follow these steps to successfully flow through the funnel. You can see the number of users for each step and how many users advance to the following step. You can also see the abandonment rate for each step. And then in this data table, it breaks it down by device category for each of these steps, and you can change the dimension to something else. There's also the checkout journey funnel report. While the purchase journey funnel begins with session start, the checkout journey funnel begins with begin checkout. And it also includes steps for adding shipping info and adding payment info. It also has the data table below the chart where you can change the dimension to see the different breakdowns. If you have a mobile app, this will show you the in-app purchases. Same with publisher ads, where it'll show you additional ad unit information along with these metrics. If you want a tutorial that covers events, conversions, and all the reports in GA4, check the link on the screen or in the description. So if you found this useful, please like, comment, subscribe. And if you want more content on digital analytics, including tracking, reporting, analysis, we'll see you in the next episode.